White residence. Oh, hello, Mr. Wolonitz. Am I still interested? Well, I think that depends. Yes, 879 was the original offer, but that seems high to me now. Now I'm offering 800.
No, don't do that.
Why?
Don't do that.
Well, because you're an unpleasant person, Mr. Wolonitz. You were rude to me and disrespectful towards my husband. And furthermore, I've met with quite a number of sellers, and the market seems much softer than I thought, so 800. Uh-huh. Well, I understand that you're disappointed, but that is my final offer. I'm sorry we couldn't make it work. Goodbye.
What are you doing?
I'm negotiating
Why?
because I want to pay less.
Oh, no. $79,000 less? Who cares? Do you know how much I make in a day?
Yeah, but that's the very reason we need to negotiate. We don't want to arouse suspicion by not trying to get a good
No,
deal.
look, I get the logic. I do. But you just went too far with it. You're calling him names?
I didn't call him names.
Oh.
I said he was unpleasant.
Well, he's not calling you back. I mean, you didn't honestly think that worked.
Yeah, I do.
No way. Sorry. No. So, look, it's time to move on, okay? I'm gonna call Saul. Where's my phone?
No.
What? What for? Oh, my God.
Hello? Hello, Mr. Wolonitz.